How to create a newsletter in Mailchimp. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Mailchimp and how you can create a newsletter with Mailchimp with all of the updated features and tools. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will go to Mailchimp.com and you will land on this platform right here. If you do not have an account on Mailchimp, you can create one for free and you will be able to create an account with your email address or use your Google to just sign in. Once you sign in after the initial sign up or sign into your account, this is where you will be. This is our main dashboard on Mailchimp and you can see we have different options given. So Mailchimp is one of the very famous marketing platforms that allows us to create emails, to create campaigns, automations, and websites as well. Even on the dashboard, you can see we have this panel that shows me that I can create contacts, sign up forms, tags, segments, surveys, campaigns, and lots more. In campaign, we can create an email template and I'll show you the newsletter. Then we have the journals on the website. I can create my own landing page, store appointments, domains, reports, and more. So it's an all-in-one platform. A very good platform to use and it's very beginner friendly. In order to create a newsletter, we will have to go to the campaign section right here and I will click on all campaigns and it will take me right here. You can see it will show me all of the different campaigns that I have already created. Now when it comes to creating a newsletter on Mailchimp, we use the regular email template and then work with it to create a newsletter. So to create a new campaign or a newsletter, you will have to create on Create Campaign. You'll have to click on Create Campaign option given here. Now we have to select regular email or we can go with a landing page or embedded form too. But for newsletter, we will click on regular email. So first we have to give our email a name. I'm going to call it Test Newsletter. Moving on, we have to, from, subject, and content. In to, you will add your details. You will add any contact that you want to send the email to. What we can do is we can create a contact as well or click on Import Contacts. And we have from, where you will be adding all your information. And then we have a subject line that we need to add. And then we can select the content and design our email. On Mailchimp, we have a classic builder, which is a drag and drop. Then we have a new builder, which is a sleek, updated user interface to add an added content inside the email itself. So what I'm going to do is to go with a classic builder because it's a simple drag and drop and it's very beginner friendly. Now we can select the template. For example, sell product, make an announcement, tell a story, follow up, educate, and more. So for newsletter, we kind of like go for a tell a story or follow up one, or you can also search for a newsletter right here. If you have already saved the template, what I'm going to do is go with this one maybe, like sell product, and I will customize it. So don't worry about the template you choose, you can completely customize it to create a newsletter. So here we are inside our Mailchimp editor and you can see this is where I will be able to customize it. We have our own drag and drop right here and I will be able to add a text box, text divider, image, group image, image card, social, share, buttons, footer, code, and also video. So first of all, we're going to customize the logo that we have here. Click on this edit option and it will allow you to select a new logo. So I have added this image as a logo and we can of course adjust the size as well. So for the logo, I'm not going to go with a very big size and we'll just keep it to 10%. I'm going to save and close. And moving on, we have the subject line, so that's what I'm going to change. You can see it says showcase your products, but for me it will say newsletter. Alright, of course we will customize the font now and the size as well. Let's make it centered, aligned, and bold. So yeah, now we have it. We can also change the color, we can also change the alignment. So all the options are available within our Mailchimp. Moving on, we have an image right here. So what I'm going to do is click on this edit option and click on replace and we can select any image. I'm going to select this one and it will be added right here. So now you're going to add our text to our email. Just click on this option right here and customize your text. Let's say this is the text that I wanted to add and I'm going to click on save and continue. Now you can see we have a button given here. I do not want the button here and instead I want it a little down. Then we have this product option. I also don't want this section, but for this I'm just going to click this delete option, click on delete, and this section will be deleted. So now we have a button, and in the button I actually want to say something else. It says start shopping, but I will customize the text from here, and it will say click here. Now we need to enter a web address, and I can add an email address or anything else. I'm going to add an email address. Click on save and close, so it will be added right here. Now this is what our newsletter looks like. I can actually customize everything if I want to. Let's make the image a little smaller as well. Okay, perfect. Then we have our text and we have our footer. In our footer, we have a social divider and some information here. So what I'm going to do is to customize this information and delete this one. You can see it will be deleted. And in social, I'm going to click on edit and add my socials, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or my website. Once done, click on close. Let's add a few of the elements to our newsletter, such as the dividers. So I'm going to drag a divider and put it right here beneath the image. Then I'm going to add another divider between my text and button. There you go. Similarly, we can add more things such as share, image and text, buttons, footer, code, add more. We can add another text section if we like. That's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to add a section right here before my image. Perfect. Now you will customize your newsletter, and this is what it will look like. You can see that it looks pretty good. I can customize the design as well. For example, the page, header, body, and footer. Let's go to the body section, and I can, of course, change the color of my background that I have right here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change it to a little light pink color, like this, and I'm going to go back. Let's actually go to the button right here. Change the color for the button, and this is what my newsletter looks like. I created a little fun one so that it looks good, but make sure to focus on your text more than pictures, but I wanted to show you of the different features that we are getting. Once done, I'm going to click on continue, and it will allow me to send my newsletter to any of the addresses that I have added. I can send my newsletter to more than one address as well, and it will allow me to create professional newsletters. Now enter your recipients and you are good to go. You can enter all the information you want. This was just an overview for you guys to show you how to create a newsletter on Mailchimp. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any inquiries or questions. Turn on the notification bell and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.